everyone, welcome to Mary's Place. Hello everyone, it's Mary here. I'm going to be cooking a turkey with gravy with onion to go over some rice. As you can see, I have brown rice in the pan, and I'm going to turn it orange. I'm also going to be adding some chicken bouillon in it. And I brought it to a boil and put the lid over it, turned it down. Here you see me making a succotash. So I've got onions and bell pepper, parsley and celery in there. Just a little bit. And butter. And adobe. And I'm going to be adding some pepper. Well, adobo. Everybody keeps correcting me. And black pepper. Kind of get the smoke out of here. Just pile that pepper in there for me. And I'm adding my carrots and my lima beans. Take that brown bean out of there, yuck. Now I'm going to be making my gravy. I'm using the turkey bouillon. Well, turkey broth, not bouillon. All natural. I'm going to add a sliced onion in there, because this is an onion turkey gravy that I'm making. And after it gets boiled down, I'm going to add some shredded turkey into that pan. And I'm using the water that was in that pan to cook the onions, because that's going to give the gravy a good flavor. Just a really easy meal that I'm making. Sorry, nothing fancy today. Clean up my mess there. Now I'm going to mix my gravy packet up with some more broth. And I am using a packet of turkey gravy. And I'm going to be using cornstarch, because it would be watery if I didn't put the cornstarch in. There's my cornstarch. And I'm going to mix some broth in there. After I added a little pepper. I'm adding a cup of broth there. Plus there's broth in the pan. I'm also going to take a spoon and make sure I get everything as much as possible. I hope everybody's having a great day. Yay for Friday, right? And I'm going to pour my gravy mix in there. Just to camera so you can see. I am fast forwarding through a bunch of this. Well, splicing some out. Turn that down so I don't burn it. Give it a stir. That's a turkey poultry seasoning. Just a really easy meal, guys. My rice is done. My lima beans and corn with the peppers and onions is done. My succotash. Finishing up the gravy here. That pot over there has tea in it. I was brewing tea at the same time. Always taste your food, guys. And I simmered that for about 10 minutes on real low, and here's dinner. What do you think? Thank you for watching, guys. Please like, share out my video, and subscribe if you haven't already.